pain. 50-something-year-old person missteps, and all of a sudden they have posterior knee pain. It's always the same story. They have a little bit of arthritis. There's my guide pin. Just put that in. There you go. So what I'll be doing now is, in this particular case, I've passed 3 number 2 fiber wire sutures that you can see are luggage tagged into the meniscus here, and I'll be passing these 6 suture limbs into this little hole that I created. That's number 1. Number 1 will make sure you know. Tighten the luggage tag, and I'm going to do in the last one, and this one, boom, 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 and then this looks good there. Good. That's going to be it right there. This is a root repair. Once again, very typical presentation. You just have to be keenly aware of it. Posterior knee pain, 50-something-year-old, slightly overweight, mild arthritis, pain in the back of the knee. X-rays might show some arthritis, like in this case. Don't think it's arthritic pain. It's not arthritic pain. Root tear. And once the root tear occurs, once this meniscus disengages from the bone like this, once that meniscus is off the attachment, once it's like this, which is basically how it was, this meniscus no longer works. It's a non-functional meniscus. It's a non-functional meniscus when it's torn, but once I reattach it, good. Now, see, it's harder. See, it stays in place. Once again, I'm going to relax my hand. See, meniscus extrusion. It no longer functions. The bone hits the bone. But once I pull it back, reattach it, now there's no more extrusion. The meniscus stays in place and acts as a pad again. So you just have to be aware that there's an epidemic of root tears. They've been misdiagnosed for years, and they haven't been fixed, and that's why knee arthroscopy for arthritis has failed, or at least one reason in my mind, because we've misdiagnosed root tears, and now we're more aware of it thanks to people like Dr. LaPrade and other people in academic settings. They've defined it, and they've shown why it's important to reattach it, like I'm doing right here, back to bone. They almost always heal if the parameters are right, and then the patient's meniscus function is reestablished, and the knee will not get arthritic as rapidly. You guys take care. Thank you. Bye.